So everybody, welcome to today's video. I don't know if I'm gonna make this a two-parter or what, but we're going to the shop to get my boys rims. We do have a new part that came in. Some of you guys will recognize this. This is a Schwartz. Right there's the part number for you guys. It is for a 06 to 11 Honda Civic non-SI. If you guys remember, I do have a video where I did install a new fuel pump. It was actually a Schwartz 220. I decided, since we're going all out with this build and getting the bigger turbo, to go ahead and get the biggest fuel pump that they offer. This is, as you would say, the 300. You can kind of see right there. 300. The flows 320. So this is going to be, you know, the top of the line fuel pump right here. So I should have no issue pushing the fuel with those bigger injectors that you guys saw, getting to my goal of 400 or whatever. I shouldn't have anything that's going to hold me back. I want to make sure, even though I have a Schwartz 220 in there now, it's basically like a Warble 265. This is like almost like a AEM 340. So this is going to flow a lot more. So I was like, screw it, I'm going to go ahead and do it to make sure I don't run into any issues at all. You know, it's almost like getting on the dyno, and then you don't have enough clutch and your clutch starts slipping type deal. So I was like, man, whatever. It's only 160 bucks. I actually got it for a deal of 150, brand new. Just go ahead and get that. Throw this in the car as well. That way, like I said, everything will be fully built, top notch, so that I shouldn't run into any issues of any limitations. The only thing I can think of that will hold me back some would be as far as the diameter of the piping, the down pipe being 2.5 and the exhaust being 2.5. But I really don't. I would have to get a custom down pipe because they don't make 3-inch down pipes for this year's Civic, and they do make a full race does make a 3-inch exhaust. But again, I'm not going to pay. I'm not going to pay $1,000 for an exhaust, especially when it doesn't look the way I want it to look, etc. So we'll try to achieve our goals using what I already have, which is a lot. Should be able to do it easily with the new upgrades that come in. But yeah, here's part of the upgrades to fuel pump. Stay tuned. Obviously, next week I'm going to order all those parts. If you guys watched the last video, you know what I'm going to order, because the shop is waiting for that stuff. That way they could disassemble everything as a whole, put everything back together as a whole, if that makes sense. But yeah, I have some friends coming over. I sold my old rims that were on the Civic. You guys remember, probably filmed a little bit of it. Gonna pick up the rims from the shop and put them on his Civic. If you guys remember his Civic that he's kind of sort of building. So yeah, waiting for them to come. Let's head to the shop and let's pick up these rims.
5/1000 piston to wall clearance. Gonna be perfect. Just don't need to cut the rings.
Yeah.
But clean the block, put the rods on.
So what can you do right now? Because I'm obviously, you know, we got the whole July 4th, so I can't order the transmission parts until I'm gonna wait till the end of the next week. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we're off on Monday.
And then you got this stuff. Yeah, all this stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
These aren't here.
Yeah.
They are?
Yeah. I got new exhaust hangers because
I didn't know. This was all together, so I just kept
this is mine too.
Together.
You said the new fuel injectors. But I know my only deal because I was waiting to talk to you. You already did that. You know, you saw these last year. I just bought them, his whole kit.
Yeah.
Those are 750 cc's.
What are the old ones?
410s. So I know the car can't crank, obviously, if you swap them out. I got it because I'm about to do an upgrade turbo and everything. I'm just like, fuck it, because you're building the motor. Push this bitch. As you can see, watch right here. I'm like, this is max it out. You know what I'm saying? That's why I know I need bigger injectors. So I got that. Oh yeah. Oh, fucking I forgot it too. Damn it. I have to come back up here. I got a fuel pump, a bigger fuel pump. So
450.
It's what's the Schwartz 340. The one that's in the car right now, because I had Steve swap it out last year. It's like a 220. So yeah. Got my goal. There you guys go. My goal is 400. The turbo I'm going to buy is capable of 550. But obviously I'm not trying to push it that high. But I'm trying to make sure that I give the car every opportunity to get there.
The DW 320 pump?
The 320, yeah.
It's a wall bolt. That'll be fine for like 450.
Perfect. That's what I need. Because I had to, like I said, I had the 220 in there now. I forgot it because I was trying to get out here to get these rims and stuff. So what are you buying? What are you waiting on? So can we do that? Like, they get the Rams and get it all done here? No, I mean, that's what I said we'll talk to Zach and get a price on Mountain Balance for them. Yeah, get the tire number so you know what you're looking for too. No, it's because it's sitting now. 225, 40, 18. 225, 40, 18. 225, 225, 40, 18. That's what you need to order. 225, 40, 18. Yeah, I'm back at the house. Yeah, I forgot the stupid fill pump. So we go back up there. We'll drop that off. Don't need it right now anyways, but I got a lot of parts up there. So we're going to focus on getting these parts ordered right here for the transmission. That way we can have that limited slip, but we might as well go ahead and again, obviously build the tranny and get the tranny where it needs to be, so that we get those nice shifts and we put all that power down to the ground. So again, yeah, I'll drop off this fill pump probably when these parts get in, and we'll drop everything off. That way, as you already heard, that way my mechanic can go ahead and assemble everything, and he can go ahead and get the lawn block and everything together anyways without having the tranny parts. So yeah, we'll get that done. We'll get those parts ordered, and we're gonna go ahead and forge on and continue on with this build. So meanwhile, I'm just gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest of my holiday. I hope you guys enjoy your holiday. Enjoy the 4th. I'm gonna watch some Warzone. Watch one of the streamers that I watch and chill out for you guys that actually watch Warzone or whatnot. But yeah, you guys enjoy the 4th. Be safe, and hopefully soon we'll have this car back on the road, and we'll be back at car shows, etc. And then be time to move on to the Z and get the Z together. Already got a looks like I possibly already have a painter lined up so we can get these fenders painted. I'm just waiting, like I said, to get this project done before we hop into another project. Do not want to do multiple projects at one time. That's how you go broke. So again, we'll finish this up, and then we'll hop on the Z and get the Z done for sure. If you guys have any questions, type them down below. Any comments? Don't forget to click the like button, guys. And subscribe. I'll let your friends know. Again, I'm one of the only ones that are actually building a 8th gen currently, not moving on to like a newer model or whatnot. Not yet anyways. But again, guys, enjoy your holiday. Be safe. See you guys next video. Peace.